Hi guys, due to memory instability, I'm going to remove the offline AI model of DeepSeek from my system. This video will help you learn how to remove the AI model file from your system. We can view the list of AI models using the command, alma list. Here, I'm going to delete the DeepSeek AI model using two methods. Open File Manager and navigate to the C drive, then go to the Users folder. Select your current user folder where the AI model is stored. There, you will see the .alma folder. Inside the .alma folder, you'll see a folder called Models, which contains all the downloaded model files. Here, we can see the SHA-256 files. I'm going to delete this large file, which is around 4+ GB. This is the DeepSeek AI model. Now, another approach to delete the offline AI model, open the terminal and type the command alma rm model_name. As we can see, the DeepSeek offline model has been deleted successfully.